Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Anjali. Today I'll explain you how to zip a dictionary in Python. These are the ways that I'll explain in this video to zip a dictionary in Python. First, we'll see how to create a dictionary from two lists using a zip function. Then, creating a dictionary from two dictionaries using zip function. We'll also see how to iterate over multiple dictionaries and zipping a dictionary of lists. Let's start with first method, that is creating a dictionary from two lists using zip function. This method combines two separate lists, one for keys and one for values, into a single dictionary using zip function. In simple way, I can tell that from the two different lists, we will take keys from one list and values from another list, and we will make it as one single dictionary by using a zip function. Keys will be from one list and values will be from another list, and it will be converted into a dictionary. I'll explain how this happens in an example. I'll copy paste the code and I'll explain each line of this code. This is the list which is having values like name, age and city. The name given to this list is keys, and in values variable we have values John 25 and New York. Now we will consider these list values as keys and this list values as values, and we'll combine and make it as dictionary. First, we need to zip both keys and values, and then that zipped values need to be converted into dictionary by using dictionary function. And then in result variable, the result will be stored and we will print that result. By running this code, you can see here this is taken as key and the corresponding first value is taken as its value. Again, next value is taken as key and its value is taken as value. We zipped it first and then converted into dictionary so that it will come inside flower brackets with colon dictionary pattern. This is how we converted list into dictionary by using zip function, and this is how we considered keys and values. By considering very simple example, I have shown you this. We'll see next method, that is create a dictionary from two dictionaries using zip function. In last example, we saw how to create dictionary from list. Here we will see from dictionary itself how to create another one. This method pairs element from two dictionaries together, usually by combining their keys or values into new dictionary. Here we will pair the elements from two different dictionaries and we will combine their keys and values into new one. By combining existing dictionaries, we will create a new dictionary and combine its keys and values. It is as simple as you are able to understand from this explanation. Now we'll see an example. This is dictionary 1 and dictionary 2. In the dictionary 1, A is key and 1 is value, B is key and 2 is value. This is first dictionary. In second, we have divided X and Y with 10 and 20 values respectively. Now, in the result variable, let's consider dictionary 1 as keys by using key function and dictionary 2 with value function. Now, dictionary 1 is key and dictionary 2 is values. Fine. Then we will use zip function to combine these both. Now this is key and this is value. We will use zip function. After zipping, as I said, we will use dictionary function to convert these values into dictionary format. In the result variable, the result will be stored and we'll print that. Now I'll run this code. A will be the key, but the value won't be 1 because this is considered as key. Value won't be 1 because values we are considering from dictionary 2. So value will be from dictionary 2 and key will be from dictionary 1. You can see it. I hope you understood this method. Now we'll see how to iterate over multiple dictionaries. This method uses zip function to loop through two dictionaries, similarly allowing comparison or combined processing of items. By using zip function, here in this method we will loop through two different dictionaries and it will allow you to compare or combine the process of items. You can combine items from two different dictionaries by looping through that dictionary by using a zip function. We'll see how this happens in an example. Here in dictionary 1, name and age are keys and these two are values. In dictionary 2, city and job are keys and these two are values. Now we will loop through these two dictionaries by using a zip function. For K1 and K2 in dictionary 1 and dictionary 2 by using zip function. Here K1 will be having dictionary 1 values and K2 will have values from dictionary 2. And here we have used zip function. While printing, we will print K1 and K2 separated with a colon. You can see here it is combining the keys of both the dictionaries. The key name and the key city is being combined here, and key age and key job is combined here. This is how we iterated through two dictionaries by using zip function. I hope you understood this method. I've considered a very simple example. Now we'll see how to zip a dictionary of list. This method combines multiple lists stored inside a dictionary by pairing corresponding elements together using zip function. Here in this method, we will combine the multiple lists which are stored inside dictionary. For example, we may have values in the form of list in dictionaries. You may have come across to this situation many times while working with dictionaries. After keys, the values will be inside list. In that scenario, we will combine those lists which is stored inside the dictionary and we will pair corresponding elements together using a zip function. We'll see what are those corresponding elements and how we will pair them in an example. This is the example that I am considering for this method. In the data variable, we have a dictionary where names and scores are keys. As I said, the values are inside the list. That is, names and scores are stored in list. Now combine these two values, pair them. We will take data of names, which contains both the names which are present in the list. Here we will take data of scores, which contains the scores which are present in this list. We will zip them both and convert them to list and then store in the result variable. And we will print the result variable. Once I run this code, you can see here how it is combining the zeroth value here and here correspondingly. The both are considered here. And at last we have put that in a list. This is the way to zip dictionary of list. I hope you understood all the methods that I explained in this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.